Hey guys, welcome to Infinite. We all have seen lately fuel prices surging for a record high price. In some states, the prices of petrol have even crossed 115 rupees. All we know is the opposition is blaming the government for imposing taxes and the government is blaming the opposition for issuing oil bonds during its regime. In this video, let's find out what's the reason behind the fuel price rise surging unendingly. Then let's get started. Before trying to understand the situation in India, let's see what's happening globally. International oil prices are currently at 3-year high, which is approximately $85 a barrel. This is due to an increase in demands and boosted by the forecast of oil supply shortage because of the easing of coronavirus-related lockdown restrictions. People are coming out and traveling more, hence the demand for fuel has spiked abnormally. The International Energy Agency said that the energy crunch is expected to boost oil demands by 5 lakh barrels per day. That would result in a supply gap of around 7 lakh barrels per day to the end of this year. So in layman terms, the demand has increased and supply has decreased, therefore increasing oil prices. But why India has been impacted more? Since India imports a major portion of its fuel needs, it requires more dollars to purchase crude oil, resulting in imported goods tending to be more expensive. The fuel bill imported jumped from around $850 crore for the quarter of June 2020 to $2,470 crore for the quarter of June 2021. An increase in crude prices means an increase in cost of production and transportation of several goods. A surge in crude prices tends to increase India's expenditure. Therefore, high taxes are imposed by central and state governments, which have also contributed to retail fuel prices being far higher in India. A rise in prices impacts the current account deficit, which means the value of imported goods and services exceeds those of exported. The prices of petrol and diesel in India are pegged to a 15-day rolling average of the international oil prices of these fuels. A rise in fuel prices could lead to a surge in inflation. What is inflation? Inflation is a declining of purchasing power of a given currency over time. Therefore, the RBI is forcing to go on liquidity tightening measures followed by rate hikes. Well, these are some of the interesting facts behind the price rise. Hope now you would have learned why the fuel price is rising crazily and will keep in mind every time you hear the fuel price rises in news. If you have liked the video, please share it with your friends and make sure to subscribe. Thank you.